Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing skincare and body trash or empties. If you want to know what products I've tried and also find out which products I'm gonna permanently say goodbye to, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so skincare empties. Let me set my stuff here real quick. So I try to separate my skincare and body empties from makeup. There's just too many of them. Like, I don't want the video to be too long. But I love going through empties because that means I'm getting through the product. It's not going to waste. And at the same time, I have very strong opinions about certain brands, certain products, because I've used them all up. All right. First item here, I don't know if you guys can see these purple bottles, the Pureology Hydrate Conditioner and Shampoo. So these two are okay, just okay. Are they worth the $30 price range for each bottle? Maybe not for me. This was sent to me by influencer a while back, and I was so excited that I got to try some bougie shampoos. Like I said, I'm not like the most perfect hair person. I'm not into like a lot of hair care products, but when I find one that really works, I stick to it. And I would say the shampoo kind of stinks. The conditioner is okay. I don't have any problems or issues with it, but I have to say there's no wow factor for me. So in order for me to like spend the money on it, there has to be some kind of wow factor. I did do a top 5 hair care favorites in another video, and I'll make sure to link it up here. But basically one of the Pureology products are over there, but not these two. So definitely check those videos out. Okay, Bello Essentials Shower Fresh Whitening Antiperspirant. All right, if you guys are Filipino, you guys are familiar with Dr. Ricky Bello. My mom loves to bring this home from the Philippines whenever she goes back home. And, you know, she's been bringing this year after year, but I never really tried it. And I think sometime this summer, I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and try it. And what I noticed is that it does help whiten the skin. Definitely better than all the other like antiperspirant or deodorants that I've tried, like from Dove. It has 48-hour protection, it's alcohol free, and it's anti-stain. I would definitely purchase this again and again if you are from the Philippines. In some Filipino stores, they might carry some Bello products. Dr. Ricky Bello is a skincare guru. I love that I got to try this. Highly recommend it. If you can find this in your local Filipino store, or maybe in the Philippines if you're from there. I know I have some subscribers from the Philippines, of course, mostly my friends. This one is a good one. Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. I don't know how many wipes or makeup remover wipes I've gone through. I usually buy the bulk ones from Costco, but it just comes in this tall box, and all of these are stacked together. This is my #1 makeup remover wipes when I am in a hurry. Just, you know, wipe my makeup as a first cleanse before I go into like the water and actual cleanser product. This is great because it doesn't give me that kind of soapy or slimy consistency. It just feels very clean and water-like. I love this. I know it's not like the most environmental friendly, but when you're in a hurry, you're in a rush, this is my go-to. Next one, the Kai body wash. I am going to try to find the Kai body wash, see where we can purchase this from, and I'll link it down below. But this has to be my most favorite body wash of all time. It smells amazing. It's very hydrating, kind of like a white milky texture. Bath and Body Works would come in second to this one. So if I can find this again, I would definitely repurchase it. Kai by Gay Straza. The La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Dual Acting Acne Treatment. This has 5%? No, yeah, 5% benzoyl peroxide. This is very good at clearing up your acne. This is my spot treatment for my acne whenever I get one. And I have 2 right now, which are so annoying. They don't need to be here at the party, but That's okay. We've got the Effaclar Duo. I've had so many bottles of these. Now, you know, just like any skincare, it might work for me, it might not work for you. So give it a try. Most acne treatments have salicylic acid. Those unfortunately don't work for my cystic acne. So I look for acne medication that has benzoyl peroxide. Give it a try, it might work for you. So highly recommend this one. Next product is by Tatcha. Tatcha water cream is amazing. It's more of a gel and it's a moisturizer. There's barely any scent to it. It just has a light fresh scent, but I would say it's really pretty non-existent. I wish I could afford the big size. I've only gotten the sample size, loved it. I would say this is great for combination to oily skin because it's such a lightweight moisturizer, but it sinks into the skin nicely. It doesn't sit on top of the skin. It's not sticky. Let me try to remember it because there's a little bit of, it feels so cooling on the skin. It just sinks in. It's definitely going to be a favorite. Hopefully I can afford to buy a full-size one from Tatcha. Next one is the Pore Purifying Cleanser by Dr. Brandt. I'm a fan of Dr. Brandt products, skincare products for the most part. This Pore Purifying Cleanser, it contains salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. All three of these ingredients are great acne fighting ingredients. I mean, I use tea tree oil on top of my Effaclar Duo. I've heard some people say it has dried them out, but if you have oily acne prone skin, I think this is the cleanser for you. In case you are looking for one, I definitely recommend this. Next one is the DermaE Anti-Blemish Clarifying Biface Toner. This contains tea tree. I love this. It's glass. It's a toner and it has hair on it. Sorry. This is 100% vegan, eco-ethical product. It kind of separates from like the actual product and the oil, so you do have to shake it. Oh, I remember now. This is kind of like a messy packaging. I think it leaks somewhere when I use this, but toner wise, if you can handle the scent of tea tree on your face, not bad at all. It has rose water, vitamin E. It's hydrating, but at the same time, it, you know, refreshes the skin. I do recommend it, but it's not my favorite. Glossier. This is the Glossier Priming Moisturizer in Rich. I would say this moisturizer is a little too thick for me. Not my favorite. If you want to know more about the Glossier line, I do have a video on it. I'll link it up here. I reviewed the Glossier skincare line, so if you are interested, you're wondering if you want to try a certain product, I have answers for you. So I'm not going to go into detail, but this one specifically, it's not my favorite for like my skin type, which is oily combo skin. Clinique Happy Gelato for Body. I love it. I mean, who doesn't want a gelato for body? I love the container. I mean, it literally looks like an ice cream container, right? I can't remember where I got this. I think I got it as a gift. It was a trio of body lotions. I love the scent. Now it's coming back to me. I couldn't remember exactly. The gelato cream, loving it. Okay, DermaE Vitamin C Cleansing Paste. This one is the cleansing paste that I recently purchased in my Ulta haul. If you want to watch that, as well as affordable perfumes from Dossier, check out this video right here. So this is one of the cleansers that I highly recommend. Super affordable. It's like, I think $13, $14 at Ulta. It has turmeric. It's great at brightening the skin. Love this. Okay, this is Rose Salve. Is that how you pronounce it? It has 9% rose extract, and basically this is a lip balm, and I love this lip balm. This is usually what I put on before I put on my lip makeup, especially if I have like more mattifying liquid lipsticks. I put this on first. Now I know it's not empty, it's just that I didn't get through it in time before it expired and it's long overdue. But I highly recommend this. I think I got this on sale, yeah, for like $5 at the Nordstrom rack. It's by C.O. Bigelow Apothecary. Also great for your cuticles, for your elbows, super hydrating, especially for the winter time. So highly recommend this one. Another DermaE turmeric cleansing paste. Okay, Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. It's a deodorant. I'm trying to remember if this one's good. It's a stick and it's all gone. I remember it being good, but not the best. It's great at keeping the odors at bay, but not the wetness. So it doesn't keep you dry. So I would definitely use this like in the winter time when you're not excessively sweating. In the summertime, it just wasn't strong enough to keep me from sweating. But it's not bad at all. If you don't sweat a lot and you just need odor protection, I think this is amazing. So I do recommend this, but it's not my favorite. Okay, chlorine dry shampoo. I think this dry shampoo I got in one of my advent calendars from last year. So every season, every holiday season, I open up a few advent calendars that I feel are like worth the splurge, worth buying or gifting. So definitely check those videos out. But I got this in my advent calendar. It was just okay. This one is good at oil control. It does give me that white cast, which I don't like. It's just not the best. It just doesn't compare with my Pantene one. So I think everyone has some form or flavor of this lotion from L'Occitane. I love it. Cherry Blossom is one of my most favorite scents. Oh, which reminds me I need to get me one, but I have enough lotions, hand lotions, and all that stuff from my Body Shop advent calendar, so I'm gonna hold off on it. There's 75 ml here. I know L'Occitane is kind of like a bougie brand. I'm sometimes intimidated going into their stores actually, but after I bought their advent calendar, I just felt more confident going into that store knowing that I knew a little bit more about their products. So if you want to see my L'Occitane advent calendar from I think 1 or 2 years ago, I'll link it down here somewhere. The Pixi Nourishing Lip Polish. Okay, sorry guys if these products are dirty. I mean, I've been hanging on to them for like a couple of months, maybe 6 months. So I love that it has these little scrubbies at the end when your lips start to peel a little bit because of dryness. I like to just rub it really hard on my lips because of those little scrubbies, and I feel like it's removing some, not all, but some of the dead skin on top of my lips. So I do love it for that. It is nourishing. It's a great product, and Pixi, you can find this at Target, very affordable. Pixi has some really good, amazing products or skincare products as well as makeup. So yeah, I love it. So that is it, guys. That is all of my skincare and body empties. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do have other skincare and body empties in the past. In case you are curious about a certain product that I've used, definitely check them out below. I have a playlist. I will be putting them in the description box. With that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!